Hi, good afternoon. Today I just want to show you how to make dough for puri, okay? Puri and parota. So I've taken wheat flour. You take the required wheat flour, okay? I've taken about 1 bowl and add salt, a little salt. This is for puri and parota, okay? Add about 4 spoons of oil. Yes, now mix it. You have to take a plate or a basin which has edge like this, so that when you make the dough the flour doesn't come out. And keep some cotton, something at the bottom, cotton cloth or mat, anything, so that when you mix the flour, this thing doesn't shift this side, that side. Okay, now add required water. Add little by little, because the dough should not be very watery. It should be as hard as it can be. Okay, here mix it well. See, okay, press it hard like this. Take all the atta, that is in the plate. Make a ball and press it again. See, I have not added more water. With the very less quantity of water, you should be able to make the dough. Press it from this. Here. If you add more water, what happens is when you make puris, it tries to take more oil. When the water is less, the puri comes out crisp with less oil in it. Okay, it doesn't absorb more oil when the your dough is thick. There is some work going on in my neighborhood, so I think you are able to hear some sound and getting disturbed. I hope you are able to hear me talk. Here, see, such a tough and hard this thing. Okay, now you can rest it for about 10 minutes, or you can also do it immediately. I'll just show you. Now make the dough like this. Cut them into equal parts. It will be easy for you to make puris. Okay. Now I usually make small puris. It will be easy to eat. Yeah. Just press them. See, now the oil is hot. You can drop 2 to 3 at a time. Oh sorry, this became a little more pink. Yeah, you can see it doesn't take much oil when it pops up. very easy to make. So make a dough like this. You can watch my previous video where I have made aloo and onion sabji, which can go well with this. Okay, so I am putting off the stove here. Let me just show you with the sabji. Now you saw how I made the dough and how I made the small puris. Usually here Gujaratis, they make small puris like this. So they can just take one scoop like this and eat. Okay, so thank you for watching my video channel in the name of Indira Shah. Kindly refer my previous video where I have shot this vegetable. This can go well with all these things. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, and please tell your friends also, and don't forget to press the bell button for notification. Thank you very much again. This is Ritvela. Bye bye.